Hi guys, today I want to show you how to resolve the blank screen in Hyundai Tucson. This is a very common problem. After you start engine, the screen doesn't work. It's absolutely black, doesn't respond for touching, even for the buttons. Most people going to Hyundai dealer and pay the big invoice. But the solution is very simple and works on, I believe, 95, maybe 99% of cases. So let's do it and we try resolve the problem. Below the screen is a SD card cover, is called SD map. You see it's exactly here. So you can open by your finger, actually by your fingernails, just pull it out like that. It's very simple and not hard to open. And then you see the SD card, which you must press and then move little back, then pull and take it out. The SD card have a 9 gold connection, and sometimes the connection is not very good with the slot, so we must to clean this connection. There is a 9 separate golden connectors, and you can use the alcohol or you can use the eraser, the pencil eraser, to clean them. Just be very careful and gently when you use the pencil eraser, or when you use the alcohol, make sure the SD card is absolutely dry before you put it back into the slot. My card is clean and dry, so I can put it back and we will see what's happened. So start the engine. And the screen works perfectly. It's a Hyundai logo, the system is restarting. And like you see, the screen works perfectly. Please remember guys, likes and subscribe. Thank you for watching.